Greetings again from Stockholm, and hello to my buddy, the swan, here at the Swan Lake. Oop, this is not the Swan Lake, but the swan seems a bit agitating. And yes, it's time to reconnect with Mother Nature again. And Chris is out for a beach adventure after 1 week in Vienna for the Eurovision Song Contest 2026. It's been one amazing week. I have had so much fun, but I'm also very tired at the same time. So I have landed this morning. I have had a morning flight. I have barely had any sleep yesterday and the day before when it was the live show. So I went to 4 live shows in total: Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. So I went to all the jury shows in the evening of all the events, semi-final 1, semi-final 2 and the final, as well as the live broadcast of the grand final, which was on Saturday, where Bulgaria, Bangaranga, won unexpectedly. It raced in the odds in the very last day while I was being very low in the beginning. So I should have put a bet on Bulgaria early in the process, but yeah. Anyway, it was amazing. I have met so many great people from many countries. Many people have recognized me from my social media, from YouTube, from TikTok, from Instagram, even from Facebook. And they wanted me to take a picture with them, which was so amazing. Even the mother of Cosmo, the Austrian participant, approached me in the Euro village and told me that she follows me and she likes my videos on Instagram. So that was so amazing. I have so many great memories. I have also some memories in sort of a material form that I have gotten there for free or won. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my reels from the Eurovision. But now that when the post-Eurovision depression kicks, not yet I think, but later this week, the cure for that would be the reconnecting with nature. And today I went quite close to my home because I'm very tired, but I also wanted to take a swim. And this is Farsta Strandbad, where I am. And finally there is some sun in the sky after being cloudy previous 20 minutes while I was waiting to start the episode. Public beach closest to Farsta Centrum it is. And we have 16 degrees Celsius in the air and 15 in the lake. The water seems a bit muddy, so I have been clearing it out a bit. So yeah, let's now reconnect with nature and cure and start curing the post-Eurovision depression that I have. Let's see, maybe because I'm going to swim, I'm gonna start also a training session because I have put my thermometer in the water and now it's almost on the other side. So I think this is beach number 33. So let's then go. Ready, set, and go. It's amazing. Oh, I love it. Because the water is quite warm now, I can also go for a longer swim. 15 degrees is actually the limit for when I can do longer swims. And this is first time I have been so long in the water. I can technically also stand here because it is sand. So, but I'm just heading to get my thermometer while I show you some of the views here at Farsta Strandbad. The water seems very still, which there is some buildup of algae on the top. And one more time to check the temperature. Yes, it is still 15 degrees. So yeah, I am so happy to be back in Stockholm and look at my tattoos that I did in the Eurovision village. Luckily they are not permanent, but they will be for 7 days it seems. So let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the Eurovision show. Eurovision week, and did your favorite placed good? I was so shocked that Finland did not win because it was the big favorite to win, and yeah, so whew, reconnecting with Mother Nature like Eva Maria from Luxembourg said. Um, so yeah, now it's time for me to enjoy, and actually on the queue for the grand final I have met one Swedish fan that told me that I must sing the winning song while I'm in the water. So that's what I'm gonna do after this vlog. So thank you so much for joining this episode with me from Farsta Strandbad, and it's time to resume the beach adventures in Sweden. Thanks a lot, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris! I'm the Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang, blinding lights. Welcome to the riot.